of the unit circle memorized after this song. Put your hands together now. Let's sing.
I forgot the unit circle, radians and degrees. I forgot to study and my A's went down to B's. I forgot the top half goes from 0 out to pi. I forgot it all and that's no lie. Think it goes like pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3, pi over 2.
Your turn.
2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 6 pi.
Repeat.
A radian's an angle and a radius is a line, and if you study every day you'll do just fine.
Sing it again.
I forgot the unit circle, trigonometry, sine, cosine, and tangent, and those trig identities. I forgot the lower half goes from pi till 2 pi. I forgot it all and that's no lie. Think it goes like 7 pi over 6, 5 pi over 4, 4 pi over 3, 3 pi over 2.
Go.
5 pi over 3, 7 pi over 4, 11 pi over 6, and then that brings us to the end, which is 2 pi.
Your turn now. The top half now.
Pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3, pi over 2, 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 6 pi.
Go.
A radian's an angle about 57.3 degrees, and if you study all this trig is just a breeze.
The lower half now.
7 pi over 6, 5 pi over 4, 4 pi over 3, 3 pi over 2.
Keep going.
5 pi over 3, 7 pi over 4, 11 pi over 6, and then that brings us to the end, which is 2 pi.
You sing. Keep going. The whole thing now.
Pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3, pi over 2, 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 6 pi. 7 pi over 6, 5 pi over 4, 4 pi over 3, 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 3, 7 pi over 4, 11 pi over 6, and then 2 pi.
Go. Degrees.
0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 121, 35, 150, 182, 10, 225, 242, 70, 300, 315, 330,